Crafty Tape and today we just got some LOL dolls from my grandma. Well, she's not going to be here tomorrow for Christmas, so because she has to work and stuff. So we opened our gift from my grandma, and now we are going to show you guys all of our stuff. But we have this big thing. If you guys ever saw the big thing at Walmart, it's like the cap, and then like it has the whole big thing. Or you have the whole big round thing. So I'm gonna do their morning routine. What are you gonna do? The night routine?
Yeah.
Okay, so she's gonna do the night routine. I'm gonna do the morning routine. They already got their face masks on, and it comes with the face masks, and it's very nice. So they're gonna start waking up, and then her dolls are starting to go to sleep.
It's crafty. It's crafty Taven. It's crafty. It's crafty Taven. It's crafty. Crafty Taven. It's crafty. It's crafty Taven. It's crafty. Crafty Taven. It's crafty. It's crafty Taven.
Okay, we're back. So we are about to show you guys the morning routine. So they're gonna start waking up. Okay, they just woke up.
They're just going to sleep.
Hi. So I'm gonna take off their face masks. Take it off.
They're gonna have a blue hat.
Well, you're gonna get your hats down there.
Okay.
Okay. I took off their face masks. They have this little plastic thing to put it back on. I'm gonna put their face masks back on because I might need to use it again. Because once they go back to sleep. And then I'm gonna take off her face mask. It's just a little sticky thing, kind of like a sticker. Okay, now let me find it. Where's the plastic thing? Oh, here it is. Okay.
No, I just remembered.
Okay,
It's not
so
downstairs.
now I am going. Okay, so I'm gonna show you her clothes. I'm gonna take off her hair. There's a whole bunch of wigs. I'm gonna take it off.
Okay, the morning.
I'm gonna take off this one.
So now they're going to I'm gonna get their costume on.
So they're gonna get their clothes on. You said?
Yeah, I said costumes.
It's clothes, but you don't have to yell. Okay, I'm gonna put the face masks down there in my bucket. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, they're going out to like a beach or something. Going to the beach, and the cat is coming with them. So I have the bottle with it, and then where's the clothes with the cat? Then I have the dress to the cat. So yeah. And then I'm going to show you guys her clothes. Okay, so
What do you need help with putting
this
this on?
is her clothes. So she's gonna be wearing these.
You want to help?
This is our grandma.
Hey. This goes on the hands.
And then this is gonna be her clothes right here.
Ooh, I'm gonna have
Yep.
a hard time with this.
And also, this is the wig that will go with it.
Wait a minute. I have that.
Then this is the hat that will go with it. Then the shoes. The shoes. Where is the shoes? Where did the shoes go?
Right here.
No, those are not the right shoes. There was some different shoes. You took my shoes.
Oh, Savannah.
And then these are the shoes that will go with it. And then her outfit.
Because I lost my
Yeah,
other
I would've
shoe.
did that.
These cute shoes.
Ooh.
This skirt and a shirt. And then this wig. And this hat.
Too cute.
So I'm gonna
This
put
looks-
on the
Oh, that's
clothes.
another dress.
And I'll be back. Hey guys, my phone almost went dead, so we had to change some plans. We had to get another table, smaller table. It's the only way to. I found a plug, so we're gonna start putting their clothes on. I took off their robes. And now I'm gonna put on her clothes. So first, this is how you do it if you don't really know. And then you're just gonna slide on
I'm gonna put
the.
her shorts on. Her glittery shorts.
No, that doesn't go with it.
Where'd it go?
That doesn't go with it.
Yes, it did.
Whatever.
It does go to it. Because it's short.
No, these two go together. You see, it's black and white, and it has some blue, and it has some blue. And then I'm gonna put on the shirt now. Putting on the shirt now. The shirts are.
I got her on. Okay, guys, I'm going to get her hair on. What kind of hair? Oh, she's not pretty.
It's very hard.
Guys, she's cute.
There we go.
Now
Put that
let's
on.
get her
Now I'm
drink.
gonna put her.
Her drink.
Where did her wig go? Oh, it's right here. Now I'm gonna put on her wig.
Okay, now I get to get her drink.
Wig.
There, I got her
Now I'm
drink.
gonna put on her shoes.
Okay. I guess her mouth will get it.
Her wig fell off.
There, guys, she's all ready.
What is she ready for?
Oh, she's going to the beach.
Oh. No, they should go to the fashion show.
I know, but they're going to go to the beach first.
No, they have to go to the fashion show or they're gonna get themselves dirty. So they better go to the fashion show first. Then
Yeah.
we're gonna go to the beach and then go to the fashion show. We're not gonna get it. I'm just kidding. We're all gonna meet each other at the beach. Which one?
Oh, where's my tingle? Here's my skirt.
Goes.
Maybe she wants a skirt on.
Wait, I think this is a top. No.
She don't like her skirt on.
Mhm.
Get her. I'm going to close her eyes.
So that skirt goes with this. Yeah, that skirt goes with that. Look at mine. You see these two? Those go together.
I forgot.
Very hard to put on a skirt.
Oh, I put it the wrong way. Guys, do you
Yeah.
saw these LOL dolls from
Walmart. Yeah.
Jenny's?
What?
Jenny's?
But yeah.
I'm gonna get her skirt on. I put skirt.
Okay, we're gonna scoot back a little. Okay, now we're gonna start playing on the floor. So let's go. Okay, we're back. So we're gonna sit down.
I gotta get all my stuff.
Oh, she's still getting her stuff down here. Okay, she will come and sit down.
Okay, I'm up.
Okay, go on.
Let me sit. I'm gonna put my stuff in here.
These shoes are hard.
Hi.
We're on the floor right now. A little funner, a little easier.
Hi, guys.
So I'm putting on these shoes.
She already dressed because she gotta go to the fashion show.
She is.
Oh, she forgot to get dressed, so she had to hurry up and get dressed.
Now,
Oh.
ta-da! The pink and blue girl walking out the fashion show, coming out. Oh, she looks so adorable. Which one do you like best? Or do you like both? We have the same LOL dolls. Do you guys like LOL dolls? Now I'm going to put on the cat dress.
Now I'm going to put her shirt.
I have some cutie litter and I have a...
I
found my kitty shoes.
Oh, guys, look at her. She's so beautiful for the fashion show.
Oh, yeah.
She needs her wig on.
It's funny when you said she needs her wig on.
You also can't see her because she her hair.
Yeah, and
Her hair with her
look at, I
red
found her
hair.
shoes. I found the kitty shoes. Oh no, they have stuff in it.
Okay, guys, I got her hair on. Look at her hair, so cute. Okay, guys, I got her red tea apple. I need your shoes on. Here's your. Oh, this little cutie girl had to get her. Girl. This is baby girl. This is a baby's.
Okay, there we go.
This is baby's.
we're gonna have it that way down here. Close your legs. How about go like this? Like sit down like this.
This is baby.
I'm gonna put on her dress. Okay. I'm gonna take them out now. Oh, got no water in it. Lots of water in it. So I'm gonna. Okay. You saw that. That skirted out all the water. Yeah, so I have a whole bunch of leaves and stuff and a whole bunch of stuff. But I wanna see what they do. Okay. Wait. Okay, let me put them in the mouth and I'll tell you when to feed them, okay? Tell you which ones to feed, okay? That's a lot. Okay. So I want you to, I'm gonna hold it up and you're gonna squeeze it. Now squeeze it. We're feeding the cat right now. Don't squeeze it too hard. That's how you're gonna squeeze out all the water. You gotta go like this. You gotta do one more here. Okay. No more water.
Now she's going to pee out.
You don't know that. Okay. Keep that her right there. I'm gonna squeeze it. Like that. Keep squeezing. Okay, want me to help? Because you're taking it out the mouth. Now we're going to get this one filled out. I think this is our last one out. This one. And now I'm just going to squeeze this one, okay? Okay? No more water. And let's see what this one does. It spits! It spits. What is it doing? Is it? No, it spits. It spits. Yuck. Yeah, that water was disgusting. Okay, let's see what she does. Oh, she also spits. She spits.
That's funny.
I spit out on you. Wait. Let the water. Let me scoot it back so you guys can see. It's so funny. Okay, now let's see what the cat does. It also spits! Oh my gosh, they all spit! That is so cool. Wow, wow. Pretty cool, they all spit. That's pretty cool. I thought they was gonna do something else. Well, I thought they was gonna tinkle. But I'm gonna do it one more time. Since you spit on me, I'll get you back. No, spit on the cat. Spit on the cat. Meow, 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 meow. That's pretty fun. You guys wanna go into the pool? Yeah. Okay. Plop. Coming out. Plop. Coming out. Plop. Coming out. Okay. Okay, Tamina, we're about to say bye.
Bye. Thanks for
Wait,
watching.
no. Hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys liked watching us doing all of this. And if you guys have these, they come with a whole bunch of things, and it's so fun. And they come with,
it's almost this.
yeah, and they come with little robes with face masks. They come with a whole bunch of things. So if you get one of these, where's the cap? Here, go get my cap real quick, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. And it is very big. Once you open it up, because there's a whole bunch of surprises. take a little while for you guys to open it up and
So cool.
watch some more videos. Wait, and look at it. Whoa, this is how it looks. And watch this. It's like a purse. La 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 la. I'm gonna go buy some stuff. Ooh, I found this big giant thing at Walmart. Mom, can I get it? Yes or no? Yes or no. And once you get it, it is so fun because you have so much surprises. And hope you guys like this playing with the stuff. Okay, bye, Crafted Tay fan. I hope you guys liked us playing with our LOL doll thing with our dolls and stuff. So, and if you get one of these, you'll see all of the wigs. You can even count how many wigs you get. There's a whole bunch of wigs. But